over the snow, and it's pretty, but it's too cold for me.
Yeah, you're exactly right. Kind of explains the snow yesterday as well. It was pretty, but for me at least it was a little too cold. But I know for some they really enjoyed the snow. Of course, most of that snow was confined to some grassy surfaces, though we did have a couple issues and travel disruptions in some of our northern counties yesterday afternoon. Live view from Carbondale, though, this morning, looking back into the western sky. You can still see all the snow there on the grass, but notice a lot of the roads are clear. It doesn't mean we don't have some black ice out there, all right? So use some caution, be prepared to slow down, and just keep a very watchful eye as some of those little areas that may look wet are actually ice. Temperatures are very cold this morning, and be also prepared if you're doing some walking, maybe walking on a sidewalk. We could see some ice on some of those as well. A live view again from Carbondale this morning. We've had mostly clear skies through the overnight hours. That has allowed temperatures to fall back very, very quickly over parts of the region. Again, black ice possible this morning. Still, though, a pretty cold day. This morning temperatures are back in the teens. This afternoon, some may struggle to get above the freezing mark. Sunshine will stick around through Friday, and some warmer temperatures as well as we move into Friday afternoon. We're going to be needing the thaw out ahead of our next storm system. That's set to arrive on Saturday evening, looking very, very wet once again in our region. Clearing skies through much of southern Illinois overnight. Notice, though, to the south into western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel, you're still actually socked in the clouds, while to the north, southern Illinois seeing quite a bit of sunshine start to make its way over the horizon. Now, check out the difference in temperatures. Underneath that clear sky, well, we've got temperatures back in the teens. 13 in Mount Vernon, 18 in Harrisburg, 18 in Carbondale. There's also where the heaviest snow fell yesterday afternoon. Underneath the clouds, those clouds act as a blanket, trapping that heat down here at the ground level. So into the upper 20s in Paducah, Murray, back over near Union City and Portageville, Missouri. There's still a light breeze there out of the north that's pushing wind chills. What it feels like back in the single digits in some areas of southern Illinois. To the south, warmer temperatures, of course, warmer wind chills as well. Currently feels like 19, though, in Paducah. Colder to our north, Springfield, Illinois, down to 6 degrees. That's an actual temperature this morning. St. Louis at 14. To the south, Memphis, Tennessee, socked in the clouds. Also back in the lower 30s. High pressure right now to our north and to our west. We're going to have a light north wind around today. Now, once the high starts to push further to the east, we're going to get on the western side. South winds start to return on Friday. That is going to kickstart that next warming trend that we're tracking here over the next 48 hours. This afternoon, no high temperatures expected, generally right around the freezing mark into southern Illinois. Quite a bit of sunshine, which helps to melt some of the snow away, but only expecting highs from about 30 in McLeansboro and Mount Vernon, 32 in Harrisburg, 31 in Marion, and to the south closer to the Ohio River metropolis, Vienna. Your high temperatures today running about 33, 34 degrees. Into western Kentucky, high temperatures today ranging into the mid-30s. It's going to take a little bit longer to see some of that sunshine as well, and into southeast Missouri ranging from about the freezing mark in Perryville down I-55 to New Madrid up to about 36 this afternoon. Partly cloudy skies at 9 a.m. A lot of those clouds confined to some of our southern counties this afternoon. A lot of sunshine, though, starts to make its way out, especially in some of our southern areas. That it's going to take a little bit longer. Clear skies for tonight, though. Calm winds means another drop very quickly back into the lower 20s, and then, well, we look ahead to the weekend, and here comes more wet weather, and right now this is looking like temperatures will be above freezing. All rain expected into our region, and some of this rain could be on the heavy side. Notice some of these numbers here in some of our northern tier counties closer to the I-64 corridor. 1.5 inches of rain possible, a little less south of the Ohio River areas there at less than an inch. That's about a 90% chance of rain there on Saturday. Behind that system, we'll start to see a few sprinkles lingering around on Sunday, maybe a few snow flurries as well, and then we start to cool down into the early part of next week. We're going to begin February, if you can believe that. On Monday, we'll bounce back into the upper 40s by Wednesday, and another chance of rain there in the forecast for Wednesday and into Thursday, followed by another sharp cool